This is a Christmas open house, and there's tons of people outside, and it's so fun. Our theme for the night is the song It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas by Michael Bublé. So we have our prop Michael Bublé over here.
If you see a Grinch, welcome in.
Oh! The Grinch! Kill him!
So we have glitter gel to put in your hair. We also do the classic Cindy Lou Who hair.
And our station is the end of the Grinch movie where they all sing around the Christmas tree singing Welcome Christmas.
There's just some great Christmas spirit showing throughout Olson. I'm having a lot of fun right now.
Yeah.
I'll be home for Christmas, and the first part of our wing is Olson Skyways, so you're going to go fly with us, traveling home, and the second half is you're going to visit your grandma's house, so come on.
Oh, somehow I got this first class ticket.
Welcome to Customs, and this is my favorite part, it's the elves on the shelf. Oh, and then to round it all off, you're finally home with your grandmas and they're knitting you your favorite sweater.
Congratulations, you're on the nice list.
Chloe, good job!
As you can see here, Grandma got ran over by a reindeer.
It's me, Michael Bublé, wishing you a very Merry Christmas from 2nd and West Olson. Now have a great night, all right, everybody?
Thanks for joining. Peace out.
Well, they were so sweet.
They were just the sweetest